So half of the mirrors, the receivers live up along here. So there's one up under here and one up under here. So half of the mirrors reflect the sun onto this guy. The other half of the mirrors reflect the sun onto this guy. Then there's piping that runs through the back of the receivers, which has two functions. Well, essentially it's there to cool the photovoltaic cells because they're more efficient when they're cooler. But then you're able to take off that hot water and actually use that for a domestic hot water supply. And then each one of these cells, so there's 30 cells in here, is attached. They're rear contact cells, so the electrodes are on the back of the cells, and the cream coloured board that you see here is actually just a standard PCB board which is used in the electronics industry, so for serious electronics, but also recreational hobbies would use it. And this is a multi-layered board. This particular board is aluminium, the base is aluminium, and then it has a ceramic layer which stops electricity from going across, and then has a layer of copper on top, and we've actually have a pattern etched through the copper, that's what creates the circuit that connects up one cell to the next cell, and it hooks up with the positive and negative electrodes behind each of the cells, no matter where you have it. So we just have to even closer. So the angle like that, you can see it's getting more than enough to generate sufficient energy to run. And I mean, they're only LEDs, so they're not using a huge amount of power. Yeah. But you can see as you cover that up, how it reduces the amount of light, but it's still functioning. There's still enough stuff reflecting off there.